Hi there, just thought I'd post up a quick video just discussing crotch repairs. This one is a repair we've come into us, which is a redo repair. We get these in every now and again. The gentleman's took it elsewhere. I won't name any names, that's not really fair, is it? Because they're not specific denim specialists, but he did take it somewhere and they did offer to do a denim repair for him, and this is how it's come out. So you can see they have repaired it, but obviously this was done around about I think it's 2 to 3 months ago, so it's not really lasted that long, and he's had to bring it us in for a redo. So I'm going to be stripping it down and doing a proper job on it, and I'll probably post up an after video once that's been done, just to show you the difference between having it done by us compared to having it done elsewhere. As you can see, they've done some oversew work, but they've not really gone over it that much in detail. And here again, so obviously it's all coming away now, and only a few months down the line, and it's all been it all needs redoing. So they've put pieces in the inside, but as you can see, it's all a little bit bulky, and it's just not very good. And obviously it's going to start breaking away around the edges as well, because they've not really reinforced it all properly. So if you've got any crotch repairs need doing and they need doing properly, do drop me a line. It's michael@thedenimdoctor.co.uk on the email. Alternatively, you can DM me through Instagram and Facebook and all the usual social media outlets. So if you've got any jeans like this and need fixing up, don't hesitate to get in touch. I do a lot of crotch repairs day to day, so drop me a line and I will fix them up for you, no problem. And our repairs are done very discreet, a lot more discreet than this, and a lot more durable than this as well. Our repairs tend to last at least a year, if not longer, depending on use. So if you've got any issues like this with your jeans, drop me a line. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you.